Achievement is an act of success. It is accomplished by great effort, confidence, and special ability. A dream becomes a goal when action is taken towards its achievement. Good afternoon to all our distinguished guests and parents present here today. We are much privileged to welcome each and every one of you on behalf of the Bluebells family to the Academy Award ceremony of grades nursery to 2 for the session 2020-21. Let me begin. We are honored to welcome Sandra Gruiska as our esteemed guest for the day. Welcome, ma'am. Sandra Gruiska is from North Macedonia. Ma'am is MSc in International Relations, Chief of Career Center and Business Council at University American College, Skopje. Ma'am is also Teacher International Relations Coordinator of EduBalkan, Organization of Best Teachers Practices. Ma'am is the founder of the project Human Rights in Every Classroom. She is also a coordinator of a magical intercultural friendship network, ESL teacher and trainer, founder of Private School of Languages Step by Step. She is an active participant in many international projects and conferences. Passion and part-time profession is radio voiceover and organizing gala events. Thank you, ma'am, for gracing the occasion.
Hello, hello.
Thank you so much.
Good afternoon.
Ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good
Yes.
afternoon. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon to everybody. Thank you for inviting me. It's such an honor being here with you. Thank you. All my gratitude to this big ceremony. Hello and welcome to this amazing ceremony from North Macedonia.
Sandra,
Thank you so
start
much.
now. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It's an honor for all of us too. Welcome. We are indeed proud and privileged to have with us Honorable Dr. Saroj Suman Gulati, Director, Bluebells Group of Schools. We are blessed to be guided by you, ma'am. Your very presence fills us with positivity and inspires us to reach for the higher goals. We welcome you, ma'am.
Thank you very much.
We welcome respected Madam Arpita Acharya, officiating principal, Bluebells Public School, wing in charges, teachers, parents, and my loving students. Let us bow our heads in obeisance and begin the auspicious occasion with the blessings of Ma Saraswati, the goddess of knowledge. May she bless us with wisdom.
जय जय हे भगवती सुरभारती तव चरणों प्रणमामः जय जय हे भगवती सुरभारती तव चरणों प्रणमामः नाद ब्रह्ममयी जय वागेश्वरी नाद ब्रह्ममयी जय वागेश्वरी शरणं ते गच्छामः जय जय हे भगवती सुरभारती त्वमसि शरण्या त्रिभुवनधन्या सुरमुनि वन्दितचरणा नवरसमधुरा कवितामधुरा स्मितमुखगणा
At Bluebell, we believe in giving each student the best. Our school lays a strong foundation to make the students strong and valuable citizens of tomorrow. Our school song reverberates in the heart of every Bluebellian. Here we go with our school song.
हम हैं ब्लूबेल की शान, शिक्षा का मंदिर महान। आओ इसको मिलकर स्वर्ग बनाए हम। हम हैं ब्लूबेल की शान, शिक्षा का मंदिर महान। आओ इसको मिलकर स्वर्ग बनाए हम। गाएं मिलकर एकता का गान। ओ हम हैं ब्लूबेल की शान, हम हैं ब्लूबेल की शान, हम हैं ब्लूबेल की शान। ओ हम हैं ब्लूबेल की शान, हम हैं ब्लूबेल की शान, हम हैं ब्लूबेल की शान। करके है हमने सवेरे धरती को महकाए, श्रम से हम तकदीर बदल तूफानों से टकराए। करके है हमने सवेरे धरती को महकाए, श्रम से हम तकदीर बदल तूफानों से टकराए। झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा बढ़ता जाए मान, झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा बढ़ता जाए मान। हम हैं ब्लूबेल की शान, हम हैं ब्लूबेल की शान, हम हैं ब्लूबेल की शान। ओ हम हैं ब्लूबेल की शान, हम हैं ब्लूबेल की शान, हम हैं ब्लूबेल की शान। ओ हम बादशाह बेग मिलाकर सबको गले लगाए, हर मंजिल को पार करे आगे ही बढ़ते जाए। जब प्रदान करे हम उसके चरणों में झुक जाए, नए नए इतिहास रचे हम ये संकल्प उठाए। ज्ञानवान हम सब बन जाए, दे दो ये वरदान। ज्ञानवान हम सब बन जाए, दे दो ये वरदान। सब धर्मों का मान करें, चाहे गीता हो या कुरान। हम हैं ब्लूबेल्स की शान, हम हैं ब्लूबेल्स की शान, हम हैं ब्लूबेल्स की शान। ओ हम हैं ब्लूबेल्स की शान, हम हैं ब्लूबेल्स की शान, हम हैं ब्लूबेल्स की शान। ओ
Success will come easy to those who are determined, to those who have a strong will. If you have the required skill, nothing can stop you. You will be successful in all your endeavors. Success will come easy if you try hard. It's all about making a good start. Now, it is time to celebrate the success of our students who have come out with flying colors in academics in the session 2020-21. Now I hand over to Ms. Pratima for further proceedings.
Thank you, Khushbu ma'am. Announcing the names of our young achievers of grade nursery. Leena is friendly and well-groomed. She comprehends well and has good grasping power. Congratulations, Leena. Navya is a motivated learner. She shares her ideas confidently during class interactions. Many congratulations, Navya. Riyanshi is soft-spoken and cheerful. She quickly understands the concepts and retains the same. Congratulations, Riyanshi. Karya is cheerful and enthusiastic. She is very expressive and speaks with confidence. Many congratulations, Sarya. Vivan is sincere and inquisitive. He quickly understands the concepts and retains the same. Congratulations, Vivan. Now we have the achievers from class LKG Rose. Advik is a motivated learner. He comprehends well and makes apt use of the concepts learned. Many congratulations, Advik. Pankuri is an enthusiastic learner. She participates in all class activities. She has shown a remarkable academic performance. Congratulations, Pankuri. Navyansh is an active and energetic member of the class. He has the ability to grasp and correlate the facts learned. Congratulations, Navyansh. Ketan is an inquisitive learner. He is self-confident and has excellent manners. He has shown an outstanding academic performance. Congratulations, Ketan. Harleen is a motivated learner. She is methodical and logical in her approach. She has shown an exemplary academic performance. Congratulations, Harleen. Vivan is a diligent learner. He comprehends well and makes apt use of the concepts learned. Congratulations, Vivan. Tejas is an inquisitive learner. He participates in all class activities and exhibits creativity and interest. Many congratulations, Tejas. Arav is a courteous student. He comprehends well and makes apt use of the concepts learned. Congratulations, Arav. Yukta is a cheerful and well-groomed member of the class. She exhibits good rhythmic sense. Congratulations, Yukta. Kamaksh is alert and attentive. He is methodical and logical in his approach. Congratulations, Kamaksh. Suhani is a cheerful member of the class. She is able to do her work independently with confidence. Many congratulations, Suhani. Amira is an enthusiastic learner. She is an active participant in co-curricular activities. Congratulations, Amira. Now we have the achievers of class LKG Tulip. Dhani is a friendly and cheerful member of the class. She's able to do her work independently with confidence. Congratulations, Dhani. Bhavya is cordial and self-disciplined. She's able to work independently with confidence. Congratulations, Bhavya. Prisha is a friendly and well-groomed member of the class. She has shown a brilliant academic performance. Congratulations, Prisha. Uddhav is cheerful and enthusiastic. He has a sharp analytical mind and concentrates well while doing his assignments. Many congratulations, Uddhav. Ayan is an enthusiastic learner. He is an active participant in co-curricular activities. Congratulations, Ayan. Ronak is a motivated learner with a zest for learning. He participates enthusiastically in all class activities. Many congratulations, Ronak. Prisha is soft-spoken and sincere. She is methodical and logical in her approach. Congratulations, Prisha. Amira is a cheerful and well-groomed member of the class. She is able to work independently with confidence. Congratulations, Amira. Dhanya is cheerful and enthusiastic. She has good observation and memorization skills. Many congratulations, Dhanya. Ayush is a courteous student. He has an excellent work culture. He has shown a remarkable academic performance. Many congratulations, Ayush. Now I hand over to Khushbu ma'am for further proceedings.
Thank you, Pratima ma'am. It is well said by Mark Van Doren. The art of teaching is the art of assisting discovery. We at New Bells facilitate our students in every field to enhance various skills. One of our students, Ayan Dang from class UKG, performing a science experiment which clearly showcases his scientific skills in an astounding way.
Today I'm going to do an experiment to show why we should wash our hands. We should wash our hands to keep the germs away. For this we need a bowl, water, black pepper and liquid soap. First, we will take water in bowl. Put black pepper in water. Dip finger in liquid soap, dip finger in bowl. We will see the black pepper move to one side. This means that germs go away when we apply soap. So we should wash our hands regularly. Thank you.
That was indeed a great presentation by our little scientist in the making. Desire is the starting point of all achievement, not a hope, not a wish, but a keen pulsating desire which transcends everything. Now we will announce the names of our young achievers from class UKG. Let us start with UKG Rose. Navika is cheerful and enthusiastic. She has shown an outstanding academic performance. Congratulations, Navika! Anvi is affectionate with a pleasing disposition. She quickly understands the concepts and retains the same. Congratulations, Anvi! Navya is cordial and self-disciplined. She has a sharp analytical mind and concentrates well while doing her assignments. Congratulations, Navya! Vanchika is cheerful and well-groomed. She has shown a remarkable academic performance. Many congratulations, Vanchika. Kalasmika is alert and attentive. She has good grasping power and shows confidence in reading and writing. Congratulations, Kalasmika. Arvi is friendly and well-groomed. She comprehends well and her ability to assimilate knowledge is good. Congratulations, Arvi. Alish is soft-spoken and sincere. She is an active learner. She comprehends well and her ability to assimilate knowledge is good. Congratulations, Alish. Siti is cheerful and enthusiastic. She has shown a remarkable academic performance. Congratulations, Siti. is well behaved and disciplined. He has a sharp mind and strong analytical skills. Congratulations, Satya. Anika is a smart and motivated learner with zest for learning. She has shown an exemplary academic performance. Congratulations, Anika. Tejasvi is friendly and well behaved. She's very quick in understanding and retaining the concepts. Congratulations, Tejasvi. Shivam is a smart and motivated learner. He has shown a stellar academic performance. Congratulations, Shivam. Amol is an inquisitive learner. He has shown an exemplary academic performance. Congratulations, Amol. Viplav is friendly and well groomed. He quickly understands the concepts and retains the same. Congratulations, Viplav. Claire is a cheerful and an enthusiastic student. He has shown an outstanding academic performance. Congratulations, Claire. Arav is well behaved and disciplined. He expresses himself with confidence during circle time activities. Congratulations, Arav. Priyansh is sincere and inquisitive. He has shown a brilliant academic performance. Congratulations, Priyansh. Vivan is a smart and motivated learner. He has shown a stellar academic performance. Congratulations, Vivan. Now, I would like to announce the academic achievers of class UKG Tulip. And well-groomed. She quickly understands the concept and retains the same. Congratulations, Ravya. Is soft-spoken and sincere. She is an active learner. She has shown an exemplary academic performance. Congratulations, Tarasha. Bhavya is sincere and inquisitive. He has shown a brilliant academic performance. Congratulations, Bhavya. Sanidhya is cordial and self-disciplined. She has shown a remarkable academic performance. Congratulations, Sanidhya. Krit is sincere and inquisitive. He comprehends well and makes apt use of the concepts learned. Congratulations, Krit. Vivan is amicable and polite. He has shown a brilliant academic performance. Congratulations, Vivan. Vivansh is well behaved and disciplined. He has a sharp mind and the ability to interpret the knowledge gained. Congratulations, Devansh. Vaibhav is a smart and motivated learner. He possesses great ability to apply the concepts learned. Congratulations, Vaibhav. Trisha is affectionate with a pleasing disposition. She has shown an exemplary academic performance. Congratulations, Trisha. He expresses himself with confidence during circle time. Many, many congratulations, Manan. Mishika is a smart and motivated learner with zest for learning. She has shown a brilliant academic performance. Congratulations, Mishika. Ashvi is cheerful and enthusiastic. She has shown an outstanding academic performance. Congratulations, Ashvi. Daksh is a smart and motivated learner. He is articulate and expresses himself fluently. Many, many congratulations, Daksh. Sarvesh is a smart and motivated learner. He reads fluently with expressions and voice modulation. Congratulations, Sarvesh. Gulmira is cheerful and enthusiastic. She has shown a brilliant academic performance. Congratulations, Gulmira. Samarth is well behaved and disciplined. He has a sharp analytical mind and concentrates well while doing his assignments. Many congratulations, Samarth. Now, I would like to hand over to Pratima ma'am for further proceedings.
Thank you, Khushbu ma'am. Achievement in the long run is that which serves the betterment of those around us. Now, I will announce the achievers of class UKG Pansy. Nihit is a courteous student. He has an excellent work culture. He has shown an outstanding academic performance. Congratulations, Nihit. Moira is affectionate with pleasing disposition. She quickly understands the concepts and retains the same. Many congratulations. Misha is soft-spoken and sincere. She is an active learner. Congratulations, Misha. Akshay is sincere and inquisitive. He shares his ideas confidently during class interactions. Congratulations, Akshay. Harshi is cheerful and well-groomed. She has shown an outstanding academic performance. Congratulations, Harshi. Sarthak is a motivated learner. He puts in concerted efforts to complete his assignments well. Congratulations, Sarthak. Omansh is a bright student. He has a sharp mind. He approaches each subject with enthusiasm. Congratulations, Omansh. Karthik is cheerful and enthusiastic. He has a sharp mind and concentrates well while doing his assignments. Congratulations, Karthik. Krisha is cordial and self-disciplined. She has sharp analytical mind and concentrates well while doing her assignments. Congratulations, Krisha. Sayyam is cheerful and enthusiastic. He has good observation and memorization skills. Many congratulations, Sayyam. Sarvit is a smart and motivated learner. He has a sharp mind and ability to correlate the concepts learned. Congratulations, Garvit. Thank you, ma'am, for further proceedings.
Thank you, Pratima ma'am. Believing, trying, and not giving up leads one to success. Achievers always believe in themselves. I will announce the achievers of Class 1A. Arman is sincere and polite. He has strong reading comprehension skills. Congratulations, Arman. Dia June is a well-mannered child. She has shown a stellar performance in academics. Congratulations, Dia. Arya is a well-behaved learner. He enthusiastically participated in all activities. Many congratulations, Arya. Naman is cheerful and enthusiastic. He has shown a remarkable performance in academics. Congratulations, Naman. Rashmi is considerate and works well with other classmates. She has shown an exemplary performance in academics. Congratulations, Rashmi. Vatsal is well-behaved and disciplined. He has shown an outstanding performance in academics. Congratulations, Vatsal. Aditya is courteous and friendly. He takes interest in reading books and learning new words. Congratulations, Aditya. Divyansh is an attentive and a self-motivated learner. He has shown a brilliant performance in academics. Congratulations. Rihansh is an enthusiastic and a creative learner. He has shown a remarkable performance in academics. Congratulations, Rehansh. Myra is a smart and motivated learner with zest for learning. She has shown an outstanding performance in academics. Many congratulations, Myra. Charu is charming and cordial. She is an active learner and works hard to complete her assignments within the given time frame. Congratulations, Charu. Arav is a motivated learner. He actively participates in co-curricular activities. Congratulations, Arav. Vanya is an active learner. She comprehends the concepts well. Congratulations, Vanya. Mahira is cordial and self-disciplined. She has shown a stellar performance in academics. Congratulations, Mahira. Tara is a cheerful and well-groomed student. She has shown an exemplary performance in academics. Congratulations, Tara. Sidit is cheerful and enthusiastic. He has shown an outstanding performance in academics. Many congratulations, Sidit. Sitakshi is a well-groomed student. Her participation in all class activities is praiseworthy. Congratulations, Sitakshi. Naresh is a motivated learner. He has shown a brilliant performance in academics. Congratulations, Naresh. Himnish is cooperative and friendly. He is thoughtful and values the opinions of his peers. Congratulations, Himnish. Abhimanyu is a motivated learner. He has shown an exemplary performance in academics. Many congratulations, Abhimanyu. Akshat is a thoughtful and inquisitive student. He actively participates in class discussions. Congratulations, Akshat. Chahat is cheerful and enthusiastic. She has shown an outstanding performance in academics. Congratulations, Chahat. Myra is cheerful and well-groomed. She quickly understands the concept and retains the same. Many congratulations, Myra. Shantanu is a smart and motivated learner. He has a sharp mind. He has shown a brilliant performance in academics. Congratulations, Shantanu. Now, I would like to hand over to Pratima ma'am for further proceedings.
Thank you, Khushbu ma'am. The success is hard work, and the secret for hard work is dedication and determination to do our best. Let us put our hands together for the achievers of Class 1B. Yuvraj is cordial and self-disciplined. He has a sharp analytical mind and concentrates well while doing his assignments. Congratulations, Yuvraj. Manan is a thoughtful and inquisitive student. He is able to share appropriate and relevant information. Many congratulations, Manan. Yatika is a smart and a motivated learner. She is articulate and expresses herself fluently. Congratulations, Yatika. Naisha is friendly and well-groomed. She is very expressive and speaks with confidence. Many congratulations, Naisha. Mudit is affectionate with pleasing disposition. He is innovative and creative in his assignments. Congratulations, Mudit. Harshit is cheerful and enthusiastic. He comprehends well and his ability to assimilate knowledge is good. Many congratulations, Harshit. Arjun is well-behaved and disciplined. He has a sharp analytical mind and concentrates well while doing his assignments. Congratulations, Arjun. Aryaman Aman is friendly and well-groomed. He has shown an outstanding performance in academics. Congratulations, Aryaman. Nirmit is sincere and inquisitive. He comprehends well and his ability to assimilate knowledge is good. Many congratulations, Nirmit. Himani is cheerful and well-groomed. She is innovative and creative in her assignments. Congratulations, Himani. Soumya is soft-spoken and cheerful. She quickly understands the concepts and retains the same. Congratulations, Soumya. Tia is cordial and self-disciplined. She is very articulate and expressive. Congratulations, Tia. Arohi is inquisitive and smart. She succeeds at whatever task she puts her mind to. Congratulations, Arohi. Rudransh is an inquisitive learner. He expresses his ideas clearly. He has shown an outstanding performance in academics. Congratulations, Rudransh. Yash is a courteous student. He comprehends well and makes apt use of the concepts learned. Congratulations, Yash. Yashvi is a courteous child. She is methodical and logical in her approach. Many congratulations, Yashvi. Yukti is cheerful and well-groomed. She is innovative and creative in her assignments. Congratulations, Yukti. Arav is a courteous student. He is logical in his approach. Congratulations, Arav. Nitya is a courteous student. She has an excellent work culture. Congratulations, Nitya. Ahana is alert and attentive. She has good grasping power and shows confidence in reading and writing. Many congratulations, Ahana. Ayansh is thoughtful and inquisitive. He is innovative and creative in his assignments. Congratulations, Ayansh. Vivan is an enthusiastic learner. He is able to share appropriate and relevant information, which adds to the classroom discussions. Many congratulations, Vivan. Amey is an affectionate student with pleasing disposition. He quickly understands the concepts and retains the same. Congratulations, Amey. Beg Mohammed is amicable and polite. He has an excellent attitude and possesses great ability to apply the concepts learned. Congratulations, Beg Mohammed. Now I pass on to Aarti Bam for further proceedings.
Good afternoon, everyone. An invincible determination can help one achieve anything. Now we have the achievers of Class 1C. Muhammad Aram Khan is sincere and inquisitive. He comprehends well and his ability to assimilate knowledge is good. Congratulations, Arham. Vibhav Sharma is soft-spoken and sincere. He has shown a brilliant performance in academics. Congratulations, Vibhav. Utkarsh Rao is an alert and attentive student. He has good grasping power and shows confidence in reading and writing. Congratulations, Utkarsh. Dhruv Yadav is friendly and polite. He is very expressive and speaks with confidence. Congratulations, Dhruv. Rudra is thoughtful and inquisitive. He shares appropriate and relevant information during classroom discussions. Congratulations, Rudra. Ritika is inquisitive and smart. She succeeds at whatever task she puts her mind to. Congratulations, Ritika. Ritika Jain is cheerful and well-groomed. She is innovative and creative in her assignments. Congratulations, Ritika. MVNS Laksh is sincere and inquisitive. He shares his ideas confidently during class interactions. Congratulations, Laksh. Ayush Bhatt is a diligent student. He shares relevant information in class. Congratulations, Ayush. Ishika is friendly and kind. She comprehends well and her ability to assimilate knowledge is good. Congratulations, Ishika. Ishita is soft-spoken and cheerful. She quickly understands the concepts and retains the same. Congratulations, Ishita. Lavya Saxena is a smart and motivated learner with just for learning. He takes interest in reading books and learning new words. Congratulations, Lavya. Kavya is active and energetic. She is innovative and creative in her assignments. Congratulations, Kavya. Manasvi Tiwari is an inquisitive learner. She quickly understands the concepts and retains the same. Congratulations, Manasvi. Pragya Verma is a courteous student. She has shown a brilliant academic performance. Congratulations, Pragya. Kshitij Gupta is sincere and inquisitive. He shares his ideas confidently during class discussions. Congratulations, Kshitij. Varansh Pratap Singh is alert and attentive. He has good grasping power and shows confidence in reading and writing. Congratulations, Varansh. Pranika Khandelwal is a smart and motivated learner with gist for learning. She takes interest in reading books and learning new words. Congratulations, Pranika. Mantave is sincere and hardworking. He has a vibrant imagination and excels in creative writing. Congratulations, Mantave. Tanaya is cheerful and well-groomed. She has shown a stellar performance in academics. Congratulations, Sanaya. Vihan Rastogi is affectionate with a pleasing disposition. He quickly understands the concept and retains the same. Congratulations, Vihan. Rishita is a smart and motivated learner. She has a sharp mind and the ability to correlate the concepts learned. Congratulations, Rishita. Ashita Goswami is a courteous student. She has an excellent work culture and is methodical and logical in her approach. Congratulations, Ashita. Now I would like to hand it over to Khushbu ma'am for further proceedings.
Thank you, Aarti ma'am. You can attain the heights of achievement with dedication and courage. Keep yourself motivated. Now, I will announce the achievers of Class 2A. Tanush is cheerful and enthusiastic. He has a sharp analytical mind and concentrates well while doing his assignments. Congratulations, Tanush! Akshata is friendly and well behaved. She is very quick in understanding and retaining the concepts. Congratulations, Akshata! Ranvijay is a smart and motivated learner. He has shown an exemplary performance in academics. Many congratulations, Ranvijay! Drishti is a smart and motivated learner with zest for learning. She comprehends well and her ability to assimilate knowledge is good. Congratulations, Drishti! Raisha is soft-spoken and sincere. She has shown a remarkable performance in academics. Congratulations, Raisha! Himakshi is an affectionate student with a pleasing disposition. She quickly understands the concepts and retains the same. Many congratulations, Himakshi! Arnav is cheerful and enthusiastic. He has shown an exemplary performance in academics. Congratulations, Arnav! Chehek is cheerful and enthusiastic. She has good grasping power and shows confidence in reading and writing. Congratulations, Chehek! Garima is cordial and self-disciplined. She has shown a remarkable performance in academics. Congratulations, Garima! Tejas is well-behaved and disciplined. He has a sharp analytical mind and concentrates well while doing his assignments. Congratulations, Tejas! Shakti is friendly and well-groomed. He quickly understands the concepts and retains the same. Congratulations, Shakti! Tia is a smart and motivated learner with zest for learning. She has shown an exemplary performance in academics. Congratulations, Tia! Sameer is a polite and diligent student. He has shown an outstanding performance in academics. Congratulations, Sameer! Adav is an inquisitive learner. He has shown a stellar performance in academics. Many congratulations to you, Adav! Shlok is a courteous child. He has shown a brilliant performance in academics. Congratulations, Shlok! Gagan is a motivated learner. He comprehends well and makes apt use of the concepts learned. Many congratulations, Gagan! Harshpreet is sincere and inquisitive. He shares his ideas confidently during class interactions. Congratulations to you, Harshpreet! Navya is cheerful and well-groomed. She quickly understands the concepts and retains the same. Congratulations, Navya! Chaitanya is a courteous child. He has shown an outstanding performance in academics. Congratulations, Chaitanya! Pranjal is a bright student who is self-motivated. He has a sharp mind and the ability to interpret the knowledge gained. Congratulations, Pranjal! Parth is a confident and courteous child. He zealously participates in all class activities and exhibits creativity and interest. Many congratulations, Parth! Advik is creative and confident. He has shown an exemplary performance. Congratulations, Advik! Jiansh is a motivated learner. He comprehends well and makes apt use of the concepts learned. Congratulations, Jiansh! Rehan is a courteous student. He has an excellent work culture. Many congratulations, Vaibhav is polite and hardworking. He has shown a brilliant performance in academics. Congratulations, Vaibhav! Advaita is cheerful and well-groomed. He quickly understands the concepts and retains the same. Many congratulations to you, Advaita. Now, I hand over to Pratima ma'am for further proceedings.
Thank you, Khushbu ma'am. Achievers are disciplined and reach their goals through hard work and determination. The young achievers of class 2B are Sid Yadav is amicable and polite. He has excellent attitude and possesses great ability to apply the concepts learned. Congratulations, Sid. Aditi is cheerful and well-groomed. She quickly understands the concepts and retains the same. Many congratulations, Aditi. Arav is a motivated learner. He is an active participant in co-curricular activities. Congratulations, Arav. Shreya is alert and attentive. She had good grasping power and shows confidence in reading and writing. Many congratulations, Shreya. Om is a smart and a confident student. He has a logical mind and uses his time constructively. He has shown an outstanding performance in academics. Congratulations, Om. Manan is a smart and confident student. He is an inquisitive learner and has good analytical skills. Congratulations, Manan. Manvi is an inquisitive and a confident student. She has a logical mind and uses her time constructively. Congratulations, Manvi. Vidhi is friendly and well-groomed. She is very expressive and speaks with confidence. Many congratulations, Vidhi. Atharv is amicable and polite. He has an excellent attitude and possesses great ability to apply the concepts learned. Congratulations, Atharv. Chitransh is sincere and inquisitive. He comprehends well and his ability to assimilate knowledge is good. Congratulations, Chitransh. Akshaj is a motivated learner. He comprehends well and makes apt use of the concepts learned. Many congratulations, Akshaj. Daksh is an energetic and alert student. He tackles new challenges eagerly with a positive attitude. Congratulations, Daksh. Tejas is sincere and inquisitive. He comprehends well and his ability to assimilate knowledge is good. Congratulations, Tejas. Rishank is cordial and an amicable student. He has a logical mind and uses his time constructively. Congratulations, Rishank. Adrian is a smart and confident student. He is prompt in answering and readily helps his peers. Many congratulations, Adrian. Shivangi is a well-groomed student. She has a sharp and creative mind. Congratulations, Shivangi. Hitanshi is friendly and well-groomed. She is very expressive and speaks with confidence. Many congratulations, Hitanshi. Rishi is a hard-working student. He has a vibrant imagination and excels in creative writing. Congratulations, Rishi. Avyansh is a smart and confident student. He has many insightful ideas to share in the class. Congratulations, Kavyansh. Divyam is a courteous student. He has an excellent work culture. He has shown an outstanding performance in academics. Congratulations, Divyam. Kia is alert and attentive. She has good grasping power and shows confidence in reading and writing. Many congratulations, Hia. Shubham is an enthusiastic and motivated learner. He remains eager to learn and asks appropriate questions in the class. Congratulations, Shubham. Tejasvi is thoughtful and inquisitive. He is able to share appropriate and relevant information in class discussions. Congratulations, Tejasvi. Devansh is dutiful and responsible. He has a sharp and creative mind. Many congratulations, Devansh. Now I hand over to Aarti ma'am for further proceedings.
Action is the foundational key to your success. Be your own light and guide. Now, let's applaud for our achievers of Class 2C. Lakshit is a smart and confident student. He tackles new challenges eagerly with a positive attitude. Congratulations, Lakshit. Tanvi Mehra is a well-groomed student. She tackles new challenges eagerly with a positive attitude. Congratulations, Tanvi. Karika is a cordial and an amicable student. She has an ever-smiling face and is always ready to help her peers. Congratulations, Karika. Tanvi is alert and attentive. She has good grasping power and shows confidence in reading and writing. Congratulations, Tanvi. Shivam Khurana is an energetic and alert student. He has many insightful ideas to share with the class. Congratulations, Shivam. Vanshika is dutiful and responsible. She is regular in submitting her assignments and projects. Congratulations, Vanshika. Abhinav is a courteous student. He is methodical and logical in his approach. Congratulations, Abhinav. Yug is a cordial and an amicable student. He has a logical mind and uses his time constructively. Congratulations, Yug. Mayank is a compassionate and an affectionate student. He tackles new challenges eagerly with a positive attitude. Congratulations, Mayank. Karthikeya is a well-behaved and disciplined. He has a sharp analytical mind and concentrates well while doing his assignments. Congratulations, Karthikeya. Akshita is active and energetic. She is an active member of the class and shows a willingness to learn. Congratulations, Akshita. Naksh Goyal is a motivated learner. He comprehends well and makes apt use of the concepts learned. Congratulations, Naksh. Shreya Sharma is an inquisitive learner. He eagerly participates in all class activities and exhibits creativity and interest. Congratulations, Shreya. Navya Singh is thoughtful and insightful. She shows a positive attitude with classmates in group projects and activities. Congratulations, Lavya. Anika is expressive and shows enthusiasm for classroom activities. She has shown an outstanding performance in academics. Congratulations, Anika. Manasvi Bhardwaj is soft-spoken and cheerful. She has good observation and memorization skills. Congratulations, Manasvi. Cocoon is a confident and responsible learner with excellent communication skills. She is thoughtful and kind in her interaction with her peers. Congratulations, Sukoon. Avi is a motivated learner. He has an active participant in co-curricular activities. Congratulations, Avi. Rudra is an enthusiastic and motivated learner. He remains eager to learn and asks appropriate questions in the class. Congratulations, Rudra. Madhyam is active and energetic. He has a talent for expressing his ideas clearly. Congratulations, Madhyam. Pranshu is a courteous student. He has an excellent work culture. Congratulations, Pranshu. Anand Verma is sincere and inquisitive. He comprehends well and his ability to assimilate knowledge is good. Congratulations, Manan. Rashi is a kind and friendly student. She quickly understands the concept and retains the same. Congratulations, Rudrashi. Ane Tiwari is an enthusiastic and motivated learner. He has shown a stellar performance in academics. Congratulations, Ane. Arna is soft-spoken and cheerful. She has good observation and memorization skills. Congratulations, Arna. Kashi is friendly and kind. She quickly understands the concept and retains the same. Congratulations, Akashi. Ankit is a thoughtful and an inquisitive student. His concepts are well formed. Congratulations, Ankit. And now, let's applaud for our achievers, young achievers. You are a strong motivation for all of us.
Thank you, Aarti ma'am. Congratulations to all our young achievers. We are for young learners. Let's watch on. and a child learns all the subjects seamlessly. Wasn't that wonderful? Now I would hand over to Pratima ma'am for further proceedings.
Punctuality, regularity, and discipline are the foundation and success mantra of an individual. Punctuality is the first step towards success. It's time now to share the name of the students who were regular and punctual throughout the session in the year 2020-21. The names of the achievers are Sarya Bhalla from Nursery Rose, Ayan Dang and Ayush Balodi from LKG Tulip, Navika Chutani, Anvi Sharma and RV Yadav from UKG Rose. From class 1A, the achievers are Dia, Vatsal Mittal, Myra Yadav, Charu Sharma, Dharesh Agarwal, Mahira Sarkar, Akshat Kaushik, Satakshi Nigam, and Chahat Yadav. One B, the students who are the achievers for the regularity and punctuality award are Manan Yadav, Vivan Kamboj, Mudit Lamba, Arohi Kumar, Nitya Arora, and Nirmit Bhagat. From class 1C, we have MVNS Laksh, Ayush Bhatt, Lavya Saxena, Pragya Verma, Kshitij Gupta, Manasvi Tiwari, and Pranika Khandelwar. Achievers from class 2A are Shlok, Chehak Bakkar, Tejas, Tia Sharma, Harshpreet Singh, Chaitanya Bhardwaj, and Akshita Chutani. From 2B, we have Chitransh Gupta, Rishank Yadav, Shivangi, Sid Yadav, Shreya Yadav, and Manvi Yadav. Here we have Pranshu Gupta, Avi Chauhan, Vanshika Dudeja, Kartike Sharma, Sanvi Chauhan, Shivam Khurana, Abhinav Shukla, Lakshit Khatri. Congratulations to all the achievers.
Thank you, Pratima ma'am. I once again congratulate to all the achievers. May I request our Honorable Director ma'am to please say a few words of encouragement to all the participants and shower her blessings on all of us.
Good afternoon, all the parents, little ones, the achievers, and teachers. I'm very happy to see that in pandemic time also, the students are not, they didn't forget about the hard work and regularity, punctuality. It's really appreciable. And this, actually, this I will like to give to the parents support. Without their support, the child at this age, in the beginning of the career, in the beginning of their academic career, if they are punctual, if they are regular, that goes to the parents only, especially mothers. I know fathers also, they have to contribute, but this is the age when mothers have to look after much more. Almost all the habit formation is done by the young lady. I congratulate these young ladies for giving their children the best what they can and the best required. Please continue with this. A good support to the teachers. Teachers were using very heavy words for very young children, but those are suitable. Like at this age only, we are able to find what the child may be in future. Please encourage them. And young children, I promise you that it's not a badge only on the screen. You will get, whenever you come to school, offline, you will get your badges to put on your chest and be proud. I'm the winner. I wish all of you will remain winner, should remain winner in future also. And I am very thankful to teachers as well as to all the young mothers that they have brought the children to such level, and all these levels should be, and I promise from the on behalf of the teachers that they will always make their levels higher to higher. And I expect from the young ladies also, the mothers, that you will also support the school, support the students. If you support your child, it means it is a support to school. We take it like this. And I believe that this support will continue with us and the child will really shine in their future. Thank you very much and wish you once again a very happy future. And today especially, they must be very happy. Give them some or the other toy, the parents, that they cannot come to school, but they are with you. Give them some toy of their choice. Give them something. Cook for them something of their choice so that they can feel specially that they are today, they have been declared the achievers and they will always remain achievers. Thank you very much and wish you good luck.
Thank you, ma'am. Your words will keep us motivated. Now, may I request our guest of honor, Ms. Sandra Gruheska, to share her views.
All, thank you very much once again. I feel really honored to share with you these great moments and celebrate these extraordinary students you have in your schools. You're the next generation of contribution to the society. Please remember this. This award recognizes your outstanding performance, your outstanding educational achievements, and success in the classroom. So let's not forget that for the success in the classroom, what is important is your teachers. Please take care of your teachers, as they are the force which promotes your achievements and educational excellence. Also, please listen to your parents, because they're the best support you can ever get, the best advice you can ever get. What I can promise you is that you should always listen to your heart, never give up on your dreams, and never give up. Always fight or strive for progress, not for perfection. Thank you very much for sharing these lovely moments with you. What I can never forget is the visit to your school and your country. I fell in love in the first place. I hope to see you all next time in the very near future. Thank you very much for inviting me. Please keep up the good work. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your kind words and taking out your valuable time for us. We are
always a pleasure.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you.
May I now request respected officiating principal, ma'am, Madam Arpita Acharya, to bless us and guide us on this occasion.
Thank you, Khushbu. A very good evening to all the members of the August gathering. Achievement is the accumulation of nurturing good habits. So, who you are tomorrow begins with what you do today. Congratulations to all the successful achievers of the pre-primary wing for the session 2021. Heartiest congratulations. I would say well done, achievers. We thank all the parents for your unconditional support in all our endeavors. It is because of the relentless work done by the teachers and the parent support that the students could perform so well. I extend my heartfelt thanks to our Honorable Director, ma'am, for joining us and motivating us with her radiant presence and always showering her blessing on all of us. I take this opportunity to thank Ms. Sandra for sparing your valuable time and motivating our students. Thank you so much, ma'am, for joining us. We accord our gratitude to all the members of the management who have always motivated us and extended their support to us by their constant guidance. I once again congratulate all the achievers. Heartiest congratulations again. Stay blessed. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your guidance. I would now like to call upon Madam Meenakshi Malhotra, Leader, Primary Wing, to say a few motivating words.
Vishnu. Good evening, one and all present in August gathering. Heartiest congratulations to all the kiddos for exemplary performance. A dream becomes a goal when action is taken towards its achievement. So, dream big and achieve big. My sincere thanks to Honorable Director Ma'am and our honored guest, Miss Sandra. Thank you so much, Miss Sandra, for joining us. Waiting for you. Soon you will come to India and visit our school. Thank you so much. I thank Arpita ma'am, our parents, and the students. Of course, teachers for gracing the occasion. God bless you, my children. Many more to come. Thank you once again. Have a nice day ahead. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your heartfelt words. Once again, I would like to thank everyone for their gracious presence and support. Also, we would like to see your presence tomorrow in our virtual celebration of Independence Day of Pupils Public School. Once again, we thank everybody and have a good day.
Sandra ma'am, tomorrow is our Independence Day and we are celebrating on virtual platform. It would be Facebook Live. Please join us.
Of course. Thank you very much for the invitation and for everything you do. Thank you.
Thank you so much,
Thank you, sir.
Sandra. Bye-bye. Take care. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Director ma'am. Thank you, Ritesh sir, Madan sir, Shailesh sir, for your support.